welcome back to my channel. If you're new to this channel, then hi, my name is Anushika and I would really appreciate it if you could take a moment and subscribe to my channel below and hit the bell icon if you want to get notified every time I come up with a new video. So you guys might be wondering, but yes, I'm not wearing any makeup. This is how my skin naturally looks and I'm completely natural. I've just applied lip balm. But let me tell you why. That's because, I don't know if you can see, but on this cheek I have got pimple problem and this is the time of the month when I break out. So that's why I have decided to avoid using any kind of makeup on my face. And this is the natural face. This is how my face. So this is how we look and this is how my skin naturally looks. You guys have already read from the title, but yes, this video is going to be my morning skincare routine summer edition and this is the 2020 edition of my skincare routine. So let me just tell you beforehand that skincare is very important and I just want to tell all of you that do not skip your skincare routine. It is very much important. So in this video I'm going to talk about my skin type, what are the products I use, what are the steps I follow and everything. So I think you guys are going to find this video really helpful and I'm not going to waste any more time talking and get straight. If you're wondering, but yes, then I have my background changed. That's just because this is the part of my house where I get very good natural lighting, you can see, and I'm really happy with this whole lighting that I have on my face. So this is the place where I'm going to make all of my videos from now. So I'm going to start off by talking about my skin type. So my skin type is dry. I have really dry skin. During the winter season more, it's like very dry. So I follow 3 very simple and basic steps for my skincare routine, that is C, T and M. So what I basically do is in the morning when I wake up, after that I just wash my face with cold water. I don't do anything. But after when I go to take my shower, that time I basically like do my skincare routine, like cleanse my face, then come out and use a toner and then moisturize and everything. So the most important thing that I would really like to tell you guys is that if you have dry skin, then moisturization is the most important part of your daily skincare routine. If you are like dry and combination skin people, then you have to use moisturization because dry and combination skin is quite same. But if you are an oily skin person, then you can skip moisturization at days and directly move on to applying a facial serum that suits your skin. But dry skin people, you can never skip moisturization. Moisturization is very important if you want to have a healthy. Talk about step 1, that is cleansing. So cleansing is very important because you know, even if we are not going outside, our face gets very dirty and has a lot of germs in our face. So we have to clean, like wash it daily, clean it daily, so that we, you know, can prevent ourselves from getting breakouts. Because if our face is dirty, if our face is dirt and germs in it, then only we get a lot of pimples and acne problem. So remember to clean your face daily. So for cleanser, I have 3 options. So all the products that I'm going to show in this video is easily available on Nykaa as well as your local store. So you can definitely go and check out. Leaving the links to all the products in the description box below. Also, I'll be mentioning the name of the product and the price somewhere here on the screen. Now with the first cleanser that I am using and which is my most. So starting off with the first cleanser that I use and that is my most favorite is this one. This is the Biotique Biophyte Purifying Neem Face Wash. This is like amazing, guys. So I've been using neem face wash since I was like 10 or 11 years old, but I have never found a neem face wash which works this good. This is the best. And coming to talk about neem, then you know that neem is the best natural ingredient that you can use to cure your pimple problem, and this is by far the best. So you can definitely check that out. So this is the face wash and it retails for 100 rupees and this is a 100 ml product, so it's really good. And also, like, if you are the only one who is using this face wash, then this will easily go for 3 months. But yep, this is the first. Okay, so for the next option I have is again Biotique Biofruit Fairness Face Wash. So this is again really good, but I don't use that daily because this is a fairness face wash, and this actually gives a really nice glow to your skin after you use that. But I use it like twice in a week, but the neem one I use it almost every day. But this is really good. So it is also a 50 ml product and it's for 55 rupees. So this is again amazing. To the third cleanser option I have here is this is the Avon Naturals Purifying like 2-in-1 cleanse, and it is a neem and cucumber one. So if you know me, then you know that I love Avon products, and this is another cleanser of theirs. I used the tea tree one, it was amazing. But this is another one, I'm trying that for the first time. So you know, neem, as I told, it's a very good product for like treating your pimples, and cucumber soothes the skin. So this is another amazing product, and it is also again a 100-gram product, and it costs 259 rupees, which is really affordable. So this is good. And also again, if you're using this alone, then this product will go easily for 4 months. Moving on to the second step, that is toning. So let me just tell you, before I started talking about toner and toning, is that any product that has toner written on its side are not the only ones which can be used as a toner. And it was actually told to me that any facial mist or anything that is suiting your skin can be used as your toner. So for toner today I have two very simple and very easily available items, and that is these two. So I think you guys have already guessed which are the products, but yes. So starting off by showing you the first product, you know that Gulab Jal is really good for your face. Gulab Jal, that is rose water. So the first option is the Dabur Gulab Reed Rose Water. I use this every day, mostly every day. So I just take a little bit on my hand and then I massage it gently on my face, and my skin absorbs it, and then I move to moisturizer. So this is really good. And this is again 120 ml product and retails for 45 rupees, which is super cheap. So yeah, this one. And the second toner option that I have, the Khadi Naturals Neem and Cucumber Mist. So I don't use that daily as my toner, but whenever I feel super hot, like of course in the summer season, I just take it out, I spray it on my face, and then I gently massage it, and my skin like absorbs it in, so it can also be used as a toner. And yes, I do use it as a toner. So this is again a 100 ml product which retails for 95 rupees, very cheap again. So this is like my skincare routine as well as like affordable skincare routine video. On to the third and the most important step for dry skin people, that is moisturizing. So as I told you already about moisturizing, why is it important? So let's move on and show you my top 2 favorite moisturization and my recommendation to you guys. So the first one is this one, Peach Milk. So if you know me, then you know that this is my favorite moisturizer, and I love the smell of it. And you can see that it's empty, guys, it's just over, but I'm getting like another one of this one. So this is a 60-gram product and it retails for 100 rupees, but this is the best. This is the best moisturizer, and it is also for all skin type, so anybody can use this, and it's amazing. And the second moisturizer option that I have for you guys is one. This is the Avon Natural Honey and Milk Moisturizer, like honey and milk face cream. This is my first time ever that I tried this out, and it's a 20-gram product, so it's very like less, and it's quite over also. I just have a little bit of it left, and it retails for 129 rupees. So this is really good, you can give it a try. I love the smell of this. It smells so like sweet, and it's very nice texture, very soft. So it's very nice again for, this is also again for all skin type. So yeah, you can definitely try it out. Now until now, all the products that I showed can be used by all skin type. So yeah, no specific reason to, so no specific skin type, guys, anyone can use it. And one extra thing that I use, and that is an essential oil which I use on my face. So that's the Nykaa Tea Tree Essential Oil. So this one, I've been using this for a couple of months now. So this is a 10 ml product and it retails for 350 rupees. So this is tea tree essential oil. So you know tea tree is really good for pimple problem and it has actually helped me, guys. I got rid of my continuously acne problem that I was facing. It helped me to get rid of that. So I'm again gonna get one of this because a very little amount of this is left, and I'm getting another one of this because it has actually helped me and it has made my skin really healthy and hydrated. So this is amazing. But yeah, so this is the one. So yeah, that's all the products that I use for my skincare, and that is the very minimal, I know, but I'm very much conscious about my skin, and I don't go and buy out and try out all the products that comes out in the market. I know there are a lot of you guys who like to try different skincare products, but I think it doesn't, not everything suits me, so I don't like to use them. Also, I don't like to use layers and layers of products on my face. So I try to keep it as minimal as possible, because when you even apply layers and layers of cream on your face, that also ends up in having blemishes and acne. So try to minimize it as much as possible. Also, don't go and buy any skincare item. Just check before you buy a new skincare item. Check its skin type, whether it's for all skin type or whether it is of your skin type or not, and check whether all the ingredients are suitable for you or not. And that's it that I wanted to talk. I know it's a pretty long video, but it is my detailed version of my skincare routine, and this is the summer edition, of course. So there'll be a winter edition as well, because I have changed, I have a lot of changes in my winter skincare items. But anyways, I hope you guys like this video, and if you did, then make sure to like, share and subscribe to my channel. And also, if you're not dry skin person, then don't just skip the video. You can at least share it with your friends who have this dry skin problem and can watch this, because I think it will be really helpful for them also. So yeah, that's it. I'll see you guys in my next video. Till then, take care and bye.